Now that we have added the login page and the logout page, the next page which we need to add is the sign up page. Let's see how we can create that one. I'm going to get back to my code here. I'll close everything what I have. Okay, so let's minimize all this stuff. Great. So now what we have to do is we need to get to home, and from here we need to open up views.py. Okay, and then we need to update some stuff. The first thing is in the template view, we need to add another one. I'm going to call this as create view. Okay, so save that. And in the auth, we need to add something extra. So we're going to call this as from Django.contrib.auth.forms. We need to import user creation form. Okay, so we're going to use this user creation form to create the sign up view. So right before this one, we're going to create a class. We're going to say sign up view, and that's going to inherit from create view. Okay, and then we're going to use the form class to update some stuff. So we're going to say user creation form. Okay, so from here we're going to say template underscore name. We need to specify the template name. So the template name we're going to use is home/register.html. And from here we're going to use the success URL. Well, the success URL is going to take directly to the notes. So we're going to say success URL is equals to smart/notes. Let's save that. Now we need to create the register.html. So I'm just going to copy this name here, and we're going to create a new file called register.html. So we're going to say extend base.html, and let's say load static. Let's say block is content, and it dominate this one. So now here is where we need to add our sign up form. So I'm going to change this to HTML. So div.row, div.call md6, and justify content center. Justify content center. Okay, so inside this we're going to add some details. The first thing is that we need to add a form. The action is going to be blank. The method is going to be post, and we need the CSRF token. And then we're going to add form.as_p. We need to add a input field. That's going to be a submit button with a class called btn sm, say btn success. Okay, so we can give a value for that, call that as sign up, and then we can give a name. We can call this as submit. Save that. Now we need to update the urls.py. So let's go to urls.py here, and we're just going to duplicate this. We can call this as sign up. So view, and we need to set this up to sign up view that you created, and the name is going to be sign up. Save that. So let's get back to the browser here, and what we're going to do is we're going to change this to sign up, and you can see that we have the sign up field showing up. So the next thing what we have to do here is we need to customize this. We need to make this look a bit more better. Okay, so let's get to our code here, and I'm gonna take this out. div.card header, I'm gonna say sign up, now. And then was it div.card body. Okay, let's paste this. Let's check that out now. Yes, that looks pretty much better. And one thing what we have to know here is that you need to be logged out when you're creating a new user. If you're an admin and if you try to create a new user, it's just going to create another admin. So instead, we need a regular user. So what we're going to do is we're going to see that if you're logged in, no, you're logged out. That's actually a good thing. So I'm going to say sign up, but we can't check that every time, right? So we need to create some kind of method for that. So one thing what we can do here is if the user is already signed up, he should not be able to access this sign up page. Instead, you should be able to access only the logout page. So let's see how we can do that one. Let's go to the VS Code and let's go to our views.py. And then we're going to import something here. So we're going to say from Django.shortcuts import redirect. Okay, and in the sign up view we're going to create a simple function. Okay, so we're going to say def get self self request, then we say store args. It's just one actually, and then kwrgs. Okay, so that does that. So I guess I don't need this. Let's give it a colon, and then we're gonna say if self dot request dot user dot is authenticated. What do we want? We want to redirect him to nose.list. Okay, and then we're going to say return super dot get, let's say request, and then we're just going to copy these things and just paste it over here. Done. Now we can give it a try. Okay, so just done, and let me go ahead and log in now. Okay, so let's say admin. Okay, so I'm going to go to the view side and let's try to sign up. I can't go to the sign up page anymore. So that's the whole idea. If you're already logged in, you should not be having the access to sign up page because you're already logged in. But if you're not logged in, you should be able to log out. So I'm going to say log out. Okay, so now if I try to sign up, I can create a new user now.